Hello everyone, Simona Cochi here. Today we are stepping away from the traditional white cube gallery and entering a space where moving images transform architecture itself. We are in Bergamo at Gres Art 671, a newly regenerating industrial site that is quickly establishing itself as a major cultural hub. Here we encounter Museum Dreams, the monumental exhibition by Isaac Julien. This is his first major retrospective in Italy, and it unfolds as a fully immersive journey that challenges the very idea of what a museum can be. Curated by Nathan Ladd, the exhibition brings together over 3 decades of Julien's work. At its core are 5 large-scale multi-screen installations, 4 presented in Italy for the first time. But this is not a traditional exhibition, it is a choreography of image, sound, and space. Each work is designed to interact with the architecture of Gres art, transforming the former industrial environment into a cinematic landscape. Julien explores themes of memory, identity, and history. Through different materials and visually striking sequences, he reactivates forgotten narratives and invites us to reconsider how images shape cultural understanding. At the same time, the exhibition questions the role of the museum itself. No longer a static container, but a dynamic space of relationships, movement, and interpretation. This vision resonates perfectly with the identity of Gres art, a 3,000 meter square site where art, architecture, and social impact converge. Walking through the exhibition, the viewer becomes part of the work. You are not simply watching, you are navigating an environment where time, space, and narrative continuously shift. Running until October 4th, 2026, Museum Dreams is a powerful example on how contemporary art can generate both space and perception. If you are in Italy, this is an essential experience. I'm Simona Cochi for The Italian Way. I really hope you enjoy my video, so keep up on staying tuned and subscribe to my channel. See you soon.
Natural biology-driven process that can visibly reduce wrinkles, tighten sagging skin, and restore a luminosity to your face that you probably thought was gone forever. I'm Dr. William Lee, and I've spent decades studying how nutrition and natural compounds interact with human biology at the cellular level. What I'm sharing with you today is rooted in real science. In fact, a landmark study published by researchers at the University of Bologna followed 112 women between the ages of 62 and 79